To backup all data on your Redmi Note 15, you have to start by opening the settings and now go to the About phone. Make sure that you are connected to the mobile network or Wi-Fi data, and you will have to go into the backup and restore, and we've got three options. We can perform a local backup on our Redmi Note 15 or on our computer when we connect it, or by using Xiaomi Cloud and the Google backup. So this is two online options. In this video I will show you how we can do this with a Google backup, so let's choose this one. Now as you can see, you can find all of the backup details, and when you click over here you will be redirected into the Google Cloud and you can find everything about your backup quality. So here I can recommend you to get the original quality, and you can also use the mobile data if you want, if you are not connected to the Wi-Fi. And now by clicking here you can also check about the backup details like the messages, call history, device settings and stuff like this. You can also do this with a metered Wi-Fi date. And now you have to click backup now if you want to do this manually. And now we have to wait for the process until it will be finished, and here on the left upper corner on the notification you can check its progress.